Hello everyone. Many users reported nagging error whenever they are starting their Windows 10 systems, which says, "Cannot find script file maintenance.vbs error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. This can be frustrating because this appears every time you log in. Let's see how to deal with this error. Right-click anywhere on the desktop area, select New in the context menu, and click on Text Document. In the text document, type the following text. Now, save this text document as maintenance.vbs in your preferred location. We saved it on the desktop and set the save as type to all files. Click on Save. Now, go to the VBS file on the desktop, right-click on it and select Copy. Press the Window key plus X together on your keyboard to open the File Explorer. Click on the C drive shortcut on the left and on the right side, click on Windows. Now, click on system32. Now, here paste the copied VBS file. Right-click on an empty space and select Paste from the context menu. Press on Continue in the prompt to finish pasting. That's about it. You will no more see the maintenance error and will be able to log into your Windows 10 system smoothly.